Walking in the million, oh. I am walking in the million, memo. Washing in the million, oh. I am washing in the million, oh. Memo. Washing in the million. Sir,
how many clothes where you don't wash today?
Organa burial clothes. You know they easy to wash burial clothes. It give stress.
So that burial clothes where these people bring, never finish them.
Organo days.
I know say they are the burial when they come close.
Orga, you know there is.
Baby.
I'm going to collect my clothes.
See, baby.
Don't tell me story. Since how many days now?
Burial clothes don't dey easy to wash. Make I tell you. It is a day easy to wash all the whole burial people. Wey besides over people like burial. They go gather for that day. Wey besides will gather.
See, if I come here next time, if you don't give me my clothes, I'll break this your hair.
My sister, come. What is the problem?
It's him. I gave him my clothes to wash. Since then, you have not washed it.
And the wash of
Hello. Is it with your clothes?
Yes.
So I don't want in the evening you come back and collect it.
Better.
So I don't want to wash it. No talk. I know. If you talk, I will slap you 10 times. Sack you here. Wash her clothes. I don't want to happen.
Oga, na here the wash. Oga, yesterday I collect money. That money I collect, I use and chop small. But today, if I dey go, you go pay me.
I go collect them from your salary. Just the wash.
Today you go pay me off.
Just the do it.
Working in the million, oh. I am working in the million, oh.
Oh.
Hey!
Happy today.
Hey! Coach, I will go wash for you.
Just let me wash this little thing. I'll be coming back this evening to get it. How much is the money, sir?
Give you 1,000 naira.
I just give you that 1,000. No, still 1,000. When I come, I go balance you.
Okay, you balance me. You don't worry.
Nkata.
Fine girl. Hey! You could get a cotton sign. So I go walk. I go do this work. See this work. I dey wash this burial clothes. I know say don't worry me well. So this one I go work. I know say need money. Your wife born. So this one work am.
Why not?
Okay, they do that one. I dey wash this one now.
This one where I never wash already. It don't make me sneeze. Waiting there.
For work now, guy. A person bring them.
Now mad people team with this. Now mad people wear this one and been a person where gets.
Oga, you na dry cleaner. Anything where they bring, you wash them. Even pants, you wash them. Everything you wash them.
Collect this and wash them.
Oga, I know the work.
Sign.
Oga, I know the work.
Before the count of two, you don't collect this.
I know work again.
Because I don't make a sign you.
I know work.
You want make a sack you.
You know work.
Eh?
You know
You
work.
want make a sack you.
You know work.
You know say be your oga.
Oga,
Let me employ you here.
this one na your work.
Hello. Where is the cloth I asked you to? Are you done with it?
Hey, fine girl. Hey, see my oga.
Nkota said I don't wash my clothes. Are you done with it?
See my oga.
Madam, no vessel. Na mad person wear
See
this
my
thing.
oga, na oga go do this work.
Na normal person wear them.
Mechadudeva! You're calling my bra, mad people bra. I paid you money to wash. You guys have the guts to charge me 1,000 naira for bra, and I paid you. I paid you 1,000 to wash this bra, and you're telling me bullshit. You must wash it. I paid for this.
Na by force?
Yes, you must watch it. You must watch it. You must watch it. What's wrong with you? After you say you're a dry cleaner, come on wash. You cannot wash. Get out.
About you give me a film no. Ndi mo for it wage. Ndi mo for craft for half for book. You mo abra ko mo yiri. Give the be film no. Hey, I don't mo na me say be. Ke ka pola na be. Ke we bo wa.